So they say, I might live or I might die. They say sarcoma is one of the hardest. Dapat patay na ako last week. If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain muna kami, Lord. Ikuba muna kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. Oh, Doc, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. This is the new Doc Willie. The old Doc Willie, yung duwag, is still there. But the new Doc Willie is more, how do you say it? More vocal, more strong, more angry, more vicious. But he is also kind. Anyway, kung iniisip nyo na may sakit ako, my serum, ito blood test ko, look for proof. Papakita natin. You know what my white blood cell count? White blood cell, 5,000 to 10,000. This is my white blood cell. Look. Lisa, focus. Wala pang ganyan, White blood cell, 0.36. Wala na akong white blood cell. My hemoglobin is 11.6. My C-reactive protein is high. Look, sasabihin nyo nahihibang ako, pero this is September 7, my ammonia is 37. Normal is 11 to 35. Higher than 35, you will have hepatic encephalopathy. 37. Pero ngayon, today, they checked my ammonia is only 27. So, I am sane. My serum phosphate is very low, 0.42. You check it, I will show you. My C-reactive protein is 133.26. But now my hemoglobin is low, only 9.6. That was why I was given erythropoietin. Look, my second white blood cell is 0.69. Lisa. Today, so white blood cell ko, 0.36, 0.69, 1.52. Yan. Can you get my Neupogen? My ammonia is now only 27. Ngayon, my C-reactive protein is 152. Ipopost ko to lahat. Tignan ninyo. Okay. So, this is the plan. Lisa, lapit ka. Lapit ka. How do I feel right now? Itong body ko na mamanhid, ito po nararamdaman ko. Manhid na to. Hanggang leeg ang manhid. Look at my neck. Look at my central line. Look at the injection. Look at the injection. I was 75 kilos. I'm now 70. I lost 15 pounds. In the end, from 165, I might go down to maybe 130. From super middleweight, I become a flyweight. O ano ba? I need more oxygen. Final words na. Malapit na. Okay. So this is the plan I got. Last night, I was sleeping and I got messages. I will talk about it in the next video. But for the moment, now, you can interview me if you want later on. Pero I will release these videos when I am stronger. Diba? So I can handle your bashing. Because I said before, if you pray for me, I will live. My message is, they say I have a short chance to be alive. So they say I might live or I might die. They say sarcoma is one of the hardest. I may have 5 rounds of chemotherapy. I finished my first round already. I have to focus last minute to send my message. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. If we want to improve as Filipinos, we should love each other, be kind to each other, forgive each other, magmahalan. Ngayon, everyday in social media, fighting, fake news, attacking, clickbait. Pati ako, ginamit nyo pa sa fake ads nyo. I will say it. I am not endorsing any product. Why are you not fighting? I am fighting them, but they're just so many. How can you put down all these scammers? I'm not endorsing any product right now. No meds, no nothing. Wala po. Hindi akin yun. They just use my face. Why don't you sue them? I cannot sue them because they are anonymous. They are from abroad. Who am I? Nakakainis talaga. It's not mine. It's not my fault. I'm doing everything I can. I don't know if I will still be alive tomorrow. I had sepsis. My BP went low. I don't know if I can still live. Look at my face. Look at how ugly I have become. Look at all the scars. You want to see my bukol? Basta on my last dying breath, I will always say, gusto ko tulungan yung nasa probinsya, yung mga mahihirap, because that is my reason to live. Dapat patay na ako last week. If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain mo na kami, Lord. Ikuba mo na kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. Ano acting? Hindi ako aktor. Papakita ko sa iyo mga lab records, acting dito. Maraming basher dyan, sasabihin, actor daw ako. Gusto ba kamay? Ano ba gagawin ko? Kita nyo katawan ko, lupay-pay na. Ryan, please get this. Puro kayo fake news, oh. Gusto nyo tingnan dibdib ko? Gumanda-ganda na nga to. Umayos-ayos na nga to. This is the baso. Sira-sira na yung katawag ko. Oh, Dok, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. Malalaman ko ba magkaka-cancer ako? Show them my back. Ryan, please hold me. I'm unstable. Show them my back. Can you open it? First point areas where the map is. Where's T9010? Show them. Show them, Doc Lisa. Point it. Use your fingers, Doc Lisa. Where is the map? Tanggalin mo na ito dalawa, the eyelid. Yes, ito tanggalin mo na. Remove ito. Nandito po yan yung buko. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya. Pinakita ko to, baka sabi nila nag-aarte-arte lang ako. Hindi po. I will show you everything. Thank you so much. I hope you are well. I love you all. Thank you very much.